welcome to a new video. Okay, I don't know if that works, but it's gonna have to. Another vlog day. Right now I'm driving to a close by city because I have somebody that made me some decals. Because I have 2 more decals that's gonna go on the back, on the bumper and under my wing. I'm gonna show you that later. But yeah, right now we're just on the way to Wilson and pick up my new decals. Okay, let's hear those. So I have an H-pipe SLP loudmouth, the first one, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Stock. Oh, there's a old lady. I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't wanna, you know. We are out in the country, but there's still some people living. So we are in 4th gear. Let me go in 3rd. Let me open the other window too. Sounds pretty mean. And we just drove by one other guy that owns 2 New Age Mustangs. One of them is a Mark 1 and the other one is a Terminator Cobra. I think he's driving the Cobra right now. I didn't see it standing there. The nice thing about the new cats, or no cats, is it is actually pretty quiet just driving like this. So I can talk normal, which I couldn't do before. Like when I had the high flow cats on, they were I forgot the name again. I said it in the last video. What was it? Drone. That's right. They were droning a lot. These drone too, but it's about 3,000 RPM where they drone a lot. So on the highway I don't have a problem because 3,000 RPM, that's like 90 miles per hour. I'm not driving that the whole time. So I'm actually pretty good. Doesn't sound too bad. I love the country. It's just nothing there. Nothing. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna see you guys again when we have the decals. It's gonna take me about 20-25 more minutes to get there and pick him up, and then I will show you what I got. Okay guys, I got my stickers picked up. We are on the highway right now, going about 75, so speed limit. Well, I think 70 speed limit, but you know, everybody else is kind of passing me, so I got the stickers. They're right here, and they look pretty awesome, so I can't wait to get them installed on the car. Now we just gotta drive 30 minutes back home and then I can install them. Let me show you the drone that you get around 3,000 RPM. It's starting right now. Now we're on the worst part. A lot of drone going on when you drive more than 90 miles per hour, but nobody should drive more than 90 miles per hour anywhere on the highway. So we should be pretty good. But yeah, I guess we see us back at home. We are back home. Where did I put my... Okay, I don't know where my... I'm looking for my tripod. I don't know where my tripod is. What do I need? I need this. Where's my... Oh yeah, right here. I need this. I have no idea where my tripod is. I threw it somewhere when I was done yesterday. No, not yesterday. Was it yesterday? No, the day before yesterday. So I got my stickers now. Now we're gonna have to clean up. Where they go. I gotta find my tripod because without my tripod, there's gonna be a pain in the ass. Okay. Tripod. Dark back here. But I think the... Where is it at? I didn't take it inside, did I? Where did I put my tripod? It is not here. I'm gonna have to go inside and see if it is inside. I mean, it has to be inside, right? I know it's not in the trunk. It shouldn't be in the trunk. And it's not in the car. It shouldn't be in the car. Let's see what we got. No, it's not in the trunk. Who locks the door? Tripod. No, only my other camera. Well, I guess it has to be inside then. Well, I guess I'm gonna go inside real quick and see if I can find it. Guess what, guys? What did I just say? Guess what, guys? Green Mustang. Very quiet. I think I just saw that one driving home, but he was going in another direction. Probably had to buy something else. So, I found my tripod, and guess where it was? In the shed. So now, we put this on here, and then I'm gonna have to switch the camera again. You know, I wish there would be a camera switch button that just switches between the cameras without stopping the video all the time. Shouldn't be too dirty because I just cleaned it yesterday. It's not. It's clean as crap. Okay, cool. So, sticker reveal. I'm probably gonna do every word by itself. Scissors. Okay, and it is straight too, which is surprising for me. Yes, that is awesome. Now this is one of them. Here you can see, got no bubbles in it, it's straight as crap and fits perfectly. What it means, it is literally asking, can you hear me? It's from a German lyrics, it's from a lyrics from the band Rammstein. And I kept it in German, so only fans and German people can understand it, which is kind of the joke behind it. Now the question for this one is, this is my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I want to put it under the, but I don't know if I want to use the hashtag on it or not. So this is gonna be right here. So it's a little bit hidden, not like a freaking gigantic ass hashtag. Because I don't want that. Okay guys, here we are. I got my stickers installed now and I'm gonna show you in a second. They turn out pretty good. Let me show you what it looks like. There we go. Like I told you, I wanted to have my Instagram tag somewhat hidden, because if you just stand in front of it, it's somewhat hidden almost. So if you really want to see it, you gotta bend down to see it. That's what I wanted. And yeah, then we got this one. Nice and centered. So the car overall on the outside is pretty much done, or let's say ready for the concert in August. That's what was my main goal, to get this knocked out. The only thing it really needs is paint on the hood. I don't even know if you can see that in the video. Yeah, you can. You see all these little dots everywhere. They are clear coat issues. So yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that one. But yeah, other than that, that is it. I hope you guys like this little vlog. I would call it a vlog. Yeah, we went places today. And I hope you will see us in the next video. I'm probably going to talk about the diffuser, because I had a lot of people asking about the diffuser and wanted more information on it. So you guys will get the information in just a couple more days. Until then, bye.